Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate using cocoa seeds. Start by roasting your cocoa beans. This develops their rich flavor. After roasting, let them cool down completely. Once cool, you'll need to crack them open and separate the inner nibs from the outer husks. This step is crucial for a smooth chocolate. Next, take your cocoa nibs and grind them thoroughly. A food processor works well, but a melanger is ideal for achieving a super smooth texture. Keep grinding until the nibs transform into a warm, liquid paste. This paste is pure chocolate liquor, the delicious foundation of your homemade chocolate. Now it's time to sweeten your chocolate. Gradually add sugar to the chocolate liquor while it's still grinding. This process, called conching, refines the texture and develops the flavor beautifully. You might also add a small amount of extra cocoa butter for a richer, creamier consistency and a smoother mouthfeel. The final step is tempering and molding. Tempering gives your chocolate a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap when you break it. Carefully follow the temperature guidelines. Heat to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, cool to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, then reheat to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, pour your perfectly tempered chocolate into molds and let it set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.